Hi there! Looking to make your LEXUS GX550 stand out? The MZ Speed body kit and premium wheels deliver aggressive styling, premium craftsmanship, and exceptional road presence. At the front, the MZ Speed front half spoiler and bonnet protector give the LEXUS GX50 a more elegant and refined look. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, they offer aerodynamic styling, durability, and enhanced protection.
Black, the ground was stained in red, left for the crows, hanging by a silver thread. My axe felt like lead in the snow, wounds opening wide, while the cold breath of death whispered soft by my side. I heard the low growls, the pack was closing in, hungry eyes watching, waiting for the feast to begin. Teeth bared for the kill, they wanted the flesh and the bone. A Viking about to die in the freezing dark, all alone. But
then came the shadow, tall as a mountain crest. A single wolf stepped forward, putting the chaos to rest.
He didn't bite, he stood guard, a sentinel in the light. Drove back his brothers and stayed through the longest night.
Since that day we've walked hand in paw through the night.
A pact forged in blood,
out of reach, out of sight.
The wolf and the warrior,
one soul and one name carved by.
From the upper rear section, the rear gate spoiler adds a sleek and dynamic touch. Down below, the rear under spoiler emphasizes width and stability, creating a bold and commanding stance. This is the signature M-Speed styling for the LEXUS GX550.